G'day everybody, Strummin Steve here. Beautiful, cruisy, laid-back song today, Four Strong Winds. Written by Ian Tyson back in '62. Had lots of covers, this song. In an interview, he said he only wrote it in 20 minutes. So there you go, quite an amazing feat to write a beautiful song like this in 20 minutes. Lots of covers. Neil Young did a particularly good cover in '78. So I hope you enjoy it. Called Four Strong Winds. Think I'll go out to Alberta, where it's good there in the fall. Got some friends that I could go working for. Still I wish you'd change your mind if I ask you one more time.